How to log in to JetBlue Credit Card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in JetBlue Credit Card login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go ahead and open this one website, Barclays US JetBlue Card. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now at the right corner, you're going to find the login section. From here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. So go ahead and type in your username, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of remember username. In the case you have forgotten the username or password, you can go ahead and click on this option to recover it. After you provide all the details, go ahead and click on the option of login, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, go ahead and click on the option of set up online access and go through the registration process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log into JetBlue Credit Card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.